The nature is a truly remarkable place. One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between people and nature shall not broken. Nature provides enough to satisfy every people's needs, but not every people's greed. Nature beauty is beyond what we destroy it. Pollution, floods, calamities, garbage. But there's a way to help nature stay alive. The first one is about cleaning your area. Second one is about picking up your garbage. And the third one is about planting some trees.